Here we are, with the semi-weekly tech updates, so let's get started. Elon Musk has acquired Twitter for $44 billion. The Tesla's CEO and SpaceX founder had bought 9.2% of stake of Twitter last week. Now, it's official that Musk has acquired 100% of Twitter for almost $44 billion, roughly $54.20 per share. Musk now owns a popular social media after Twitter evaluated the Musk's billion-dollar deal for over a week. Apple is now removing outdated apps from the App Store. Apple is now actively removing outdated apps from the App Store, even if they're fully functional. As per the developers' complaint, Apple is warning them through Appstore improvement notice in mails about removing their outdated apps if they don't submit a new updated version within 30 days. No action is required for the app to remain available to users who have already downloaded the app. Bored Ape Yacht Club's Instagram account has been hacked. Hackers stole $2.5 million of Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs with Instagram hack. Bored Ape Yacht Club creator Yuga Labs is investigating a phishing attack after a hacker stole nearly $2.5 million worth of NFTs through the official Bored Ape Instagram account. The hacker used the company's official Instagram account to phish BAYC NFT holders. Meta is opening its first physical store next month. Facebook parent company Meta will be opening its first physical retail store next month. The metaverse-themed Meta store opens May 9th in Burlingame, California, close to the headquarters for Meta's Reality Labs division. The store will showcase the company's VR headsets, Ray-Ban Stories glasses, and Portal devices, and will offer interactive demos for shoppers. YouTube has been updated with Super Thanks tipping option to tip your favorite creators. YouTube's Super Thanks feature has rolled out to all eligible creators in the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube has now made it possible for all creators to monetize their content through the Super Thanks tipping feature, which has now rolled out completely. This feature can be enabled with a single click and is available on YouTube Studio for desktop, Android, and iOS. Apple has now launched its self-repair program for iPhone users. Apple's self-repair program is now open to iPhone owners in the US. The service will expand to other countries later this year, starting with Europe. iPhone users can now buy the parts from the dedicated stores, following official repair manual to fix a device yourself. You can even spend $49 to rent a toolkit for a week if you'd rather not buy tools you're unlikely to use often. Revenue of Google's parent company Alphabet has dropped by 8%. Google's parent company, Alphabet, reported an 8%, which makes $1.5 billion decline in quarterly profit, dragged down by slowing growth for advertising on YouTube and search, as well as a decline in the value of its investments. The company posted a net profit of $16.44 billion for the first quarter, compared with a profit of $17.93 billion in the same period a year earlier. Coca-cola is investigating the hack claims made by the Russian hackers group. Coca-cola is one of the many Western companies that has suspended operations in Russia as a result of the attack on Ukraine. The hacker group, named Stormus, claims to have stolen more than 161 gigabits of data from Coca-Cola, offering to sell it for $65,000 or 1.6 Bitcoin. Coca-Cola has launched an investigation after a cybercrime group claimed to have breached the company's system. Now, let's summarize the crypto market of this week. Dogecoin had increased more than 35% on Tuesday to once again enter the top 10 cryptocurrencies, after the confirmation that Elon Musk will buy Twitter for $44 billion, but it's currently 1% down than the last week. Largest tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum each have dropped about 5% this week, where Bitcoin is below $40,000 and Ethereum is around $2,900. Similarly, altcoins among the 15 largest crypto tokens such as Solana, Polkadot, Litecoin, and BNB have fallen 5 to 10% in the last week. This much for today. And thank you for watching. Also, consider subscribing to the channel to never miss any updates.